The big news about this research is that we have shown a correlative link between positive childhood experiences and better outcomes for TCKs long term. TCKs with high PCE scores had better outcomes across a wide range of areas. They had better mental health outcomes, they had better physical health outcomes, and they thought more favourably about their childhood experiences. This research demonstrates the importance of these preventive care factors in the lives of TCKs as they grow up overseas. Now in 2021, we did a world first survey looking at adverse childhood experiences in third culture kids. What we saw was that TCKs were twice as likely to have a high risk ACE score than populations in various countries around the world answering the same questions phrased the same way. One of the reasons ACE's research around the world is so important is the link that has been shown between a high risk ACE score and various negative outcomes in adulthood. In our latest research report, we're connecting the dots between adverse childhood experiences, positive childhood experiences, and outcomes in adulthood in third culture kids. What we see over and over again is that a high ACE score is linked with negative outcomes in adulthood, but positive childhood experiences have that protective effect as well. One example is in mental health. We found that in all kinds of mental health concerns, the rate at which TCKs experienced them dropped dramatically according to the number of PCEs that they had, the number of positive childhood experiences. Suicidal ideation dropped 65% and self-harm dropped 74% among TCKs who had all 7 positive childhood experiences or a PCE score of 7. We also found a very strong connection between chronic illness and both ACEs and PCEs. For example, TCKs with a high ACE score were 43% less likely to be diagnosed with a chronic illness if they also had a high PCE score. Even TCKs with a low ACE score were 30% less likely to be diagnosed with a chronic illness if they also had a high PCE score. Being well connected to parents and to community makes a difference for young people growing up overseas, and we now have the data to demonstrate that.